Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will be testing Dreamland Quicksand eyeshadow palette from the brand called Novo. Now this palette is from AliExpress and is one of the most beautiful eyeshadow palettes I own. This is the packaging it comes in. It's a beautiful cardboard packaging with the logo Novo on it, and let's take a look at the product inside. This eyeshadow palette, I tell you, is the most beautiful one I've ever seen, and this is the variant number 1 called it's actually the purple glitter palette. Now let's get on to the colors you get. The packaging gets a 10 out of 10. The size of this palette is quite small. When you see the pictures on AliExpress, it's where I bought this from, you would think you get a large palette, but it is quite small. It just fits into the palm of your hand. That's the size of the palette, and that's just to let you know that's how small it is. But it is so beautiful. Now let's look at the colors you get in here. I'll give you a very closer look at all the shades. You get satin shades, matte shades, shimmer shades, and you get one beautiful shade of light purple pressed glitter shade. So those were the swatches of all the 12 shades available in the first purple variant of the Novo Quicksand palette. And if you want to buy this, it's available on AliExpress. It costs around $8 plus about $150 for shipping to India. and you can receive this product in 1 month, and it comes beautifully packaged with no damage at all. So if you're interested, go ahead and buy it from AliExpress. And please subscribe to my channel if you like videos like this with swatches and the close-ups of amazing products which you can find at very good deals. Please do subscribe, and if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Till next time, bye. Have a nice day.